Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn any photo into anime art style using your phone. Now the app we are going to be using is this one right here, known as Genie Anime AI Art Generator. And in case you don't have it on your phone, it can be downloaded for free from the Play Store. Now to do this, simply go ahead and open the app. Then as you can see, it has a second tab that shows the toolbox. So simply go ahead and open the toolbox. And then here, you're going to select the first option, which is the image remix. So simply go ahead and tap on that first option. And then from here, you're going to see an option of upload image. Simply tap on upload image, and then you're going to select where I want to get your image from. So for instance, I want to get this image from my gallery. Select gallery, and then here, simply look for the image that you want to use. So select the image, crop it, then apply. Now once this is done, you're simply going to go ahead and input the prompt that will help you turn this image into anime. So simply go ahead and input the prompt. Then after that, select the anime style that you want. So for instance, I may select realistic, so tap on it. And then after that, simply go ahead and tap on generate. So tap on generate, and in a few, your image will be turned into anime art. Alright, so as you've seen, my photo has been turned into anime art, but of course the result you're going to get is going to depend on the prompt and also the anime style that you've selected. Otherwise, that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next one. Peace and love.